should be at the airport. They're practicing. There he goes, Blue Angels. They're practicing though. There he goes, he's all the way over there. Go in the way, I want to see Southwest. Here he comes, he's going back. He's going back. There's the Blue Angel. He's coming back. He's coming back. Southwest. Oh boy, he's coming back. He's coming back. What am I gonna do? Blue Angel, Southwest. He's landing, guys. He's coming right here. Here he comes. Is it actually Blue Angels? Let's find out. Oh, that's beautiful. It's beautiful. Whoa. Here he comes. It is the Blue Angels. It is the Blue Angels. It is the Blue Angels. What are you doing here? Like that training, I guess. Here goes Southwest. What a fun time at the airport. I'll see you all on my next plane spotting video in Chicago. And I'll see you all next time for the EAA 2. What a fantastic week for airplanes. Bye.